Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Ps4 down fully. This clears transient states and prevents corruption. Once the front light is off, wait about 30 seconds to let capacitors discharge. Then hold the power button for 7 to 10 seconds until you hear a second beep. This launches safe mode. Make sure your dual shock is connected with a USB cable. Wireless won't wake safe mode reliably. Press the PS button to sign in and reveal the menu, so you can choose the next action. You'll see multiple options. Read them in order and pick the least destructive first. Choose Rebuild Database to scan and fix the file system. This often resolves missing games and slow menus. If issues persist, select Update System Software to reinstall or repair corrupted firmware. Use USB Install if network fails. Only after those fail should you restore default settings, which keeps data but resets system settings. Each step explains why. Preserve data. Repair files, then reset to minimize data loss. You conclude by deciding whether to keep the fixes or perform an initialize Ps4, which erases data. Backup saves to USB or cloud before proceeding. If a standard update failed, use the Safe Mode option to reinstall system software from a properly named USB folder. It's more thorough. If problems persist after reinstall, suspect hardware like HDD or motherboard, try swapping drives or listening for abnormal noises. When stuck, contact Sony support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.